Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to squeeze every ounce of boost out of your stock Mercedes C250 coupe. So if you guys already follow me, you know I've done all these performance mods to my car. I have links in the video description below, so that way you can go to every single one of them if you want to catch up. But today we're going to install this. This is an aftermarket diverter valve from Go Fast Bits. I'll leave a link in the description below. So why would you want to upgrade your turbo valve? Well, the stock valve is actually made of plastic and rubber, so it tends to fail, causing a lot of boost pressure issues, which leads to a check engine light and lower engine performance. Also, this valve, it kind of just opens and closes. So when you're building up boost and then it drops when you shift your car, you have to rebuild all that boost. So there's a lot of lag between the transmission shifts. With the aftermarket diverter valve, it actually maintains some boost pressure. So while you're flooring your car and then the transmission shifts, there's still some boost pressure left in the valve. So that way it's a quicker buildup to maximum boost, which will keep you moving forward, which is pretty cool. Also, the aftermarket diverter valve is made of metal and silicone, so it's guaranteed to be a lot stronger and also last a lot longer. Why not? So let's open up the hood, take out that old valve, and install the new cool valve. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery, because we're dealing with electrical components, and you want to remove the large turbo hose. There is the valve that we want to access, and it's right underneath the turbo hose, so it's easier just to remove this so you have plenty of room to work with to access the 3 bolts. To remove the valve, there's 1, 2, 3 Allen bolts and also a connector that you need to remove. Once that's all removed, it'll pop right out of that hole. This is the old valve. As you can see, it's made of plastic and rubber, and this is the brand new kit made of metal and silicone. So it's a lot stronger and a lot more durable. So what we're going to do is, first, these 3 bolts, you can toss them. We don't need them anymore because the kit comes with longer bolts. And then you want to grab this plastic piece and pull on it outwards, and this whole entire piece comes off. Toss that aside, take the spring out, toss it aside, and now we're going to rebuild it with the included kit. I'm going to put the spring first. After the spring is this black piece. See how it's spring loaded? And then next you want to grab this cover piece, and it's going to snap into place like that. But now you have to align the 3 holes, so you just need to twist it until it aligns. So now the 3 holes are aligned with the valve. There's only one way it'll fit, so if I try to put it this way, as you can see, one hole's not aligned. Try to put it this way, another hole's not aligned. So there's only one way that it can fully align, so it clicks right in, nice and tight. Next, you want to take this spring, install it there. And then this piece is the last piece that you put on, but before you put it on, you want to lubricate it with some engine oil so it can glide easy within the valve. And of course, you use the brand new longer bolts in the 3 holes. So now let's go downstairs, get some engine oil on, and reinstall this new valve. Here's everything assembled. I put the oil on the piston and it's good to go. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the modification. It really helped with performance on my car. Hopefully it does the same for you. If you liked the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.